The glass things go in the glass bin. The glass things go in the glass bin. The glass things go in the glass bin. Let's sort out all the trash.
I've got an apple core, where does it go? It's leftover food, so where does it go? I've got an apple core, where does it go? Let's sort out all the trash.
The food scraps go in the compost bin. The food scraps go in the compost bin. The food scraps go in the compost bin.
Let's sort out all the trash. Sorting out trash is good for the earth. Sorting out trash is good for the earth. Sorting out trash is good for the earth. Let's sort out all the trash.
Good morning! Welcome to ABCM Online. My name is Teacher Sam.
My name is Teacher Bo.
And we are K.2/7. And this week we are going to be learning all about garbage. And today we're going to be learning about two different types of garbage in particular. Okay, so we're going to be learning about our yellow garbage bin and our red garbage bin. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Okay, let's go. So the first thing we're going to be looking at today is...
Ta-da!
Okay, so here we have a picture of a garbage bin.
Garbage bin.
Now you might have noticed that our garbage bins come in different colors. And the different colors mean different things. And the garbage that we have will be sorted into the different colors depending on what they are. So this is our garbage bin.
Garbage bin.
Okay, so the first garbage bin that we are going to be looking at today is our yellow garbage bin. And we're going to be learning what is it for and what we should put inside our yellow garbage bin.
Ta-da!
Okay, so this is the symbol for our yellow garbage bin, and this says general.
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 So this garbage bin is all for our general waste. And our general waste is something that we cannot recycle and we cannot reuse. So we put that into our yellow garbage bin called general.
General.
Okay, now we're going to look at some examples of things that can go inside our yellow garbage bin, our general waste. So the first example we have is,
ta-da!
so here we have tissue.
Tissue.
Tissue is something that we cannot recycle and we cannot reuse. So we put our tissue in the general garbage bin. Tissue.
Tissue.
Okay, the next example of waste that we can put inside our yellow general garbage bin is,
ta-da!
so here we have dog poop.
Dog poop.
So if our dogs poop on the road, we need to make sure that we clean it up. Okay, and when we do, this type of waste goes into our general waste. Dog poop.
Dog poop.
Okay, our last example for our general waste is,
ta-da!
so here we have leaves.
Leaf.
So when the dry leaves fall to the floor and we sweep them up, the leaves go into our general waste. Leaves.
Leaves.
Okay, so that's the three examples of our general waste. Now we're going to see where does it go.
Ta-da!
Okay, so here we have a landfill.
Landfill.
So this is where all our general waste goes. So a landfill is a very, very, very big hole made in the earth. And what happens is we put in all of the general garbage that we cannot use again and we bury it. Now landfills are very bad for our earth. So if we can use less general garbage, the better. because we do not want to be making lots and lots of landfills. Landfill.
Landfill.
Okay, so next we're going to be looking at our red garbage bin.
Ta-da!
So our red garbage bin is for our hazardous.
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 Now this is the type of waste that can be dangerous for our body, our skin, or for the environment, for the earth. Okay, and as you can see here, this has a danger side. So we always need to be very, very careful with our hazardous waste. And we will put that into our red garbage bin. Hazardous.
Hazardous. Ta-da!
Okay, so here we have a battery.
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 Now a battery is something that we use to charge our electric things, okay? And when the battery is finished, we need to be careful of the different things inside of the battery. So that's why we put this in our hazardous waste. Battery.
Battery.
Okay, the next example of our hazardous waste is,
Ta-da!
so here we have a light bulb.
Light bulb.
So when our light bulb is finished, we need to put this into our hazardous waste. Again, a light bulb is something that we need to be careful as it can be dangerous for us and for the environment. Light bulb.
Light bulb. Ta-da!
So here we have paint.
Paint.
Paint contains lots and lots of chemicals that can be harmful to our skin, and again it can be harmful to the environment. So we need to treat the paint with our hazardous waste. Paint.
Paint.
Okay, now where does our hazardous waste go?
Ta-da!
Okay, so when our hazardous waste is collected, the people that collect it need to be very, very careful. And it goes to the hazardous waste management.
Hazardous waste management.
Now, as you can see, he's wearing lots and lots of protective clothing because some things in our hazardous waste bin can be dangerous for us. So our hazardous waste needs to be disposed of very, very carefully. Hazardous waste management.
Hazardous waste management.
Okay, so they're the two of our different garbage bins. Garbage bin.
Garbage bin.
So first we have our yellow garbage bin, which we call general.
General.
Examples of general waste are tissue,
Tissue.
dog poop,
Dog poop.
leaves.
Leaves.
And our general waste goes to a landfill.
Landfill.
Our second garbage bin is our red garbage bin. And we call this hazardous.
Hazardous.
Some examples of hazardous waste are battery,
Battery.
light bulb,
Light bulb.
paint.
Paint.
And our hazardous waste goes to hazardous waste management.
Hazardous waste management.
Okay, so now here we have some different types of garbage, and we want you to help us to sort them into either our general waste or our hazardous waste. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, we are.
Okay, so our first piece of garbage is,
Ta-da!
okay, so here we have a leaf.
Leaves.
Now, can you help us decide which of our garbage bin our leaves go in? Is it our general
General.
or hazardous?
Hazardous.
Well done. Our leaves go into our general waste.
General waste.
Okay, next.
Ta-da!
Here we have our battery.
Battery.
Now, can you help us decide which garbage bin our battery goes into? Is it our general
General.
or hazardous?
Hazardous.
Well done. Our battery goes into our hazardous waste.
Hazardous waste.
Okay, our next piece of garbage.
Ta-da!
So here we have some tissue.
Tissue.
Now, can you help us decide which garbage bin our tissue goes in? Is it our general
General.
or hazardous?
Hazardous.
Well done. Our tissue goes into our general waste. Okay, our next piece of garbage.
Ta-da!
Okay, so here we have a lighter.
Lighter.
And a lighter is something that produces fire. Okay, so can you decide which garbage bin that we should put our lighter in? Is it our general
General.
or hazardous?
Hazardous.
Good job. Our lighter is going to go into our hazardous waste.
Hazardous waste.
And that's because it contains fluids and gases that can be dangerous to us or the environment. Hazardous.
Hazardous.
Okay, our next piece of garbage.
Ta-da!
So here we have a snack wrapper.
Snack wrapper.
Now, which of our garbage bin will we put in our snack wrapper? Is it our general
General.
or hazardous?
Hazardous.
Good job. Our snack wrapper goes into our general waste.
General waste.
Okay, and our next piece of garbage is...
Ta-da!
Okay, so here we have a COVID test.
COVID test.
Now, can you guess which one of our garbage bins might our COVID test go into? Our general
General.
or hazardous?
Hazardous.
Good job. Our COVID test goes into our hazardous waste.
Hazardous waste.
Okay, and we put our COVID test into our hazardous waste because this must be disposed of carefully. Okay, and when people pick up the hazardous waste, they wear the right equipment to make sure that they don't get infected or hurt by anything inside our hazardous waste bin. So our COVID test goes into our hazardous waste.
Hazardous waste.
Okay, and that's all of our waste sorting for today. Okay, so here's our worksheet for today. And this worksheet is asking you to connect the dots to complete the picture, then color. Okay, so we're going to start by connecting our dot number 1.
1.
Okay, and you're going to follow all the numbers round until you reach the number 25. Okay, and then when you finish connecting all the dots, we want you to color in the picture of the garbage truck. Okay, then we want you to write your name nice and clear in the rectangle box and your number in the top corner. Now don't forget when you finish your work to take a photo so that me and Teacher Bo can see your beautiful worksheet. Okay, great job today everyone, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.